Hey guys, welcome to Mayorfi. Today I am going to show you quick and easy way how to create stunning renders using Blender and ComfyUI, like this. And that. All we need is default cube to make the interior and camera for later to get the viewport render. After we have the sense of interior created, you can start adding cubes and forming them into furniture. I will speed up my work now. Once you are finished, position camera to the angle you like and render the viewport image, then save the image. Now open ComfyUI and drag and drop my workflow into ComfyUI. You can use the same model as me or any other Excel model. Write your prompt and upload the image you have rendered in Blender. You might need to install missing custom nodes. In that case, just go to the manager and click Install Missing Custom Nodes. Additionally, you might need to download Depth Anything model. I will leave links to the depth model and checkpoint model in description. Once you are finished, hit the Q prompt button. And there you have it, photorealistic render of interior in seconds.